Got a new smartwatch? Pairing it with your phone is the first step to unlocking all its features. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Garmin Forerunner 165 quickly and easily. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin Forerunner 165 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Scan the QR code displayed on your Garmin Forerunner 165 using your phone's camera. It will automatically open the Garmin Connect app or prompt you to download it if it's not installed. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete setup and pairing. Make sure Bluetooth stays on throughout the process for a smooth connection. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. That's all it takes to pair your Garmin Forerunner 165. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.